Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to fix FC 25 FPS drops, lagging, freezing, and stuttering. First, disable full screen optimizations. Right click on the game icon, select properties, go to the compatibility tab, and check the box for disable full screen optimizations. This can help improve performance and reduce stuttering. Next, update your graphic drivers. Visit the website of your graphic card manufacturer like Nvidia or AMD and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly improve FPS and fix performance issues. Now run the game as administrator. Right click on the game icon and select Run as Administrator, and this will give the game the necessary permissions to run smoothly without interruptions. After that, close unnecessary background tasks. Open Task Manager like Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and end any tasks that are using too much CPU, memory, or GPU. This frees up resources for FC25 to run better. Then set high performance and power options. Go to Settings, click on System, then Power and Sleep, and choose additional power settings. Here select high performance to ensure your PC is using full power for the game. Next, enable game mode by going to Settings, clicking on Gaming, and turning on game mode. This optimizes your system for gaming and reduces background interruptions. Now run EA Sports FC25 in compatibility mode. Next, right click on the game icon, select properties, go to the compatibility tab, and choose Windows 8 or 10 compatibility mode to help the game run more efficiently. Then enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Open Settings, go to System, then Display, and click on Graphics Settings. Turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling to reduce latency and improve performance. After that, adjust in-game graphic settings. Lowering the resolution, texture quality, and shadows in FC25 can significantly improve performance, reducing FPS drops and lag. Next, increase virtual RAM. Go to System Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, and under Performance, adjust the virtual memory to give your PC more space to handle the game. Now verify and repair the game files through your game launcher, Steam or Origin. This ensures that no files are missing or corrupted, which can cause performance problems. Finally, if the issues persist, reinstall EA Sports FC25. This can resolve any lingering problems by providing a fresh installation of the game. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.